my god, I can't believe it is New Year's Eve. Like, the year has gone by so fast, and I kid you not, I lived like 20 different lives, okay? From January till December, I felt like I've changed completely as a person. I don't even think I'm real at this point. Like, genuinely, my life has changed so much for the better, to the point where I finally feel like I am not dwelling on my past, and I'm not dwelling on my traumas anymore. I feel like every single year I always face like a depressive episode. I always encounter people and have a mentality where I'm like, I'm still struggling with my traumas. And of course, like, there's always gonna be triggers. Like, there was a lot of triggers this year, I'm not gonna lie. But for the first time, I actually understand when people see the positive in things. Like, I used to think that they're just saying it for the sake of saying it. You know, when people are like, oh, just see the positive side of things. And I'm like, I roll, like, you're being annoying. But this year, I finally realized, like, oh yeah, even if you lost something, there's always, like, you're always gonna gain something else, something better in your life. 2025 was full of that. I feel like over the years, I've learned life lessons, but nothing really changed. Like, I feel like there's always something from the past that is holding me back. But this year genuinely feels like I broke a generational cycle or something. Like, it's that crazy, okay? Even though 2025 has been a long but super fast year, it is still overall such a good year. I genuinely feel like a person. You know, I feel like for so many years, I feel like I'm just like an NPC. Like I don't really know what to do with my life. I don't know how to navigate my life, but now I know. So yeah, I really hope that 2026 is gonna be more, like, there's gonna be more of life. There's gonna be full of life, more adventures, and I'm so freaking excited. So yeah, I hope that 2026 will be a great year for you guys as well. I hope you learned lessons and actually changed your life. I hope you build more relationships with people and connect with people. And I'm not talking about freaking romantic relationships. Sure, if that's what you want, but like, guys, invest in your friendships. Is super freaking important, okay? I am gonna take you guys along with me in my New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, of course. So yeah, let's get on with the day. Zara Larson. Guys, oh my god, we are at Saadiyat Island. This is actually my first time in Saadiyat Island in this area. Like, I don't think we've been here before, right?
Never even touched this place.
Never. We've been to Manarat Al Saadiyat, the gallery where I did my ceramic, and of course we went to the Louvre, but we've never been here. And oh my god, it's the beach! See? Summer isn't over yet. But yeah, guys, it is super duper windy. My hijab like flew off my head, I kid you not. But yeah, this is such a vibe. We're looking for a place to eat lunch, so I'm super excited. I don't even know if you can hear me. Hopefully you can, because I'm too lazy to set up my mic. So yeah, go bruh. For real. It's freezing. I am not wearing a long sleeve because I thought, oh, it's gonna be hot later. When you said we look like we're in a green screen, it's not like, look at how bright blue the sky is.
Yeah, bro. We look like we're in, what's that movie called? I don't know.
What? Doom.
True. No, the show where it's like the sky is fake.
Oh, Lazy Town.
What the frick? No. Is this like not the Matrix? This awesome movie freaking got many awards about the freaking we live in a live society type.
Okay. The moon is out. What? Whoa. That's crazy. Why is the moon out already?
It's out. The freaking wind stops.
Oh, it's coming back.
It's coming.
Look.
Like
It's cool.
My pin is showing. That's not supposed to show.
Look, I'm flying. It's hella cold. I'm wearing short sleeves. Who thought that was a good idea? I don't know. But we're so used to like New Year's, we wear so many layers, and then in the middle of the day, it gets hella hot.
Yeah. So like it's a little bipolar, I think. But it's like 4 p.m.
No, for real.
It's the
And
afternoon.
we didn't eat nothing.
Yeah, I'm like
hungry.
I'm saving it for the steak, but where's
the
it at?
steak? We are at a steakhouse called Steak Fever, and this is my first meal of the day. What time it is? 5:51. And this is the food that came: cheese kafta and steak shakers. Ooh. Look at that. Steak shawarma. Oh my god. So good. Okay guys, we just finished eating breakfast, lunch, dinner. Like that was literally our one meal of the day. We're like, there's Pete's. There's Pete's right now. Okay. Lock in. Okay, so we just finished eating from a place called Steak Fever, and honestly, I didn't speak much because I was running out of energy. Like literally, I was like,
We ate the food.
no, my brain wasn't working. I started having a headache. My voice wasn't coming out. I was just enjoying the food. So I hope you enjoyed looking at us enjoying the food. But yeah, guys, I didn't have the energy. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm really bad at vlogging today. But we just finished. What?
Jasper.
Oh, okay. Damn, there's a lot of options. Okay. Oh my god, I'm distracted. Okay. Now we are going to, I think, Yas Mall to pray Maghrib and Isha. And then for fireworks, what's the option? Burj Khalifa, Al Ain, Corniche, Abu Dhabi, Al Watbah, Sheikh Zayed Festival, Global Village, Yas Bay. I think we're gonna go to Yas Bay. Yeah, hopefully there's fireworks. Imagine we go there and there's no fireworks. But yeah, oh my god, guys, that steak was so freaking good. So good. We had like 5 dishes, and it was all under 400 compared to the one in Saadiyat. One steak was 400 actually. So I highly recommend going to Steak Fever. I don't even know the location. It was a random neighborhood. I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna catch you guys up once we're in Yas. Toodles! We are now at the cinema because we were like, okay, we need to watch something as we wait for the fireworks. And we thought, why not watch Avatar Fire and Ash? Okay. I don't know if we're able to catch the movie because the movie started at 7:25. It is now 7:37. Oh, there's another one at 8:20. And the movie's like what, 3 hours long? So we'll see. We got our popcorn and this is what we're gonna watch. Right here. Right here. Oh, here it is. And this is our seats, 17. Oh, what? This is fancy. We got a table and all. Oh, and this is our view. Right dead center in the middle. So, we got our popcorn. Yum. It's caramel and cheese. Oh, no. That was the fastest munch ever. Take a picture. Watching the after movie. Guys, this chair is so fancy you can lean back. I can't believe you can lean back. You watch Utopia Lux? Lucky girl. Like, whoa. We're just done with the movie. 10 more minutes until midnight. Yo, that was so cool. That was like not best movie of the year, but it ate. It really ate. Like I love the visuals. I love the story. Like guys, I love the avatar. No, the red lady was crazy. she was really like, I'm against Awa and I'm gonna kill everyone. Like relax, just relax. No, for real. Like no, she was literally the devil. Like I kid you not, she was the devil because she was going against Awa, God. We just ended off.
This is like last year.
This was
2 years ago.
Yeah, 2 years ago we did this too. We ended up with a bang. Bruh, 4 minutes and we're still at the mall. We're in the basement. Oh my god. Why is this turning into the apocalypse? This is crazy. Because I feel like we're in the apocalypse, like we're gonna die. This is creepy, bro. What the freak? 1 more minute. Go, we're on the go.
1 more minute.
1 minute.
1 more minute.
Until the fireworks. Not even 1 minute, freaking 50 seconds, bruh. Intense. Like straight out of Avatar, now I feel like I'm at war.
The elevators weren't working, which was our feet.
Legit.
I feel like I was in Avatar.
I'm seeing. We're trying to chase fireworks, guys. We're instead of fire. Huh? Ashes. Fire and ashes, or fireworks and ashes. We'll never know.
Tuh, udah mulai.
Oh my god.
Tadi tuh.
Listen, I might as well be in the car instead of chasing fireworks and then walking back in the car. At least if we're in the car, we can go straight home. You know what I mean? Don't get into a car accident now.
Tuh, jelas dari sini.
Wow, so pretty. Happy New Year. Yeah. Wow. Just on the side of the road. Wow, we're on the way home. Look at that. So many people crossing the road. It's like a migration.
The Great Migration.
Okay guys, I just made it back home. Once again, Happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, even though it's all over the place. It's hardly a vlog, but we'll see how this goes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.